You've probably seen channels running 24/7 live streams non-stop. Some of these channels run kids content, some do relaxing content, some do education content and different kind of content. Even I myself, I applied this script on my new YouTube channel and my channel got monetized in just weeks. Now, in this video, if you follow the exact footprint that I'm going to share with you, you can also monetize your YouTube channel very fast. Now, the magic behind 24/7 live streaming is that YouTube's algorithm loves consistency. And this is how creators are achieving success using this trick. Remember, with this trick, you do a 24/7 live stream using maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 live streams at a go. And now, when you do 3 live streams at a go, and those live streams run for 24/7 hours, YouTube algorithm is going to favor you because YouTube always wants creators that keep viewers on YouTube, creators that keep viewers watching. And now, if you do a live stream 24/7, it literally means that you're keeping viewers around the globe watching your channel, being on YouTube 24/7. Hey, don't be worried. You may think that when I talk about 24/7 live streaming, you're going to be on your camera or on your laptop, on your computer, on your phone, doing 24/7 live stream without sleeping, without resting. No. The best thing about this trick is that it is even more easier to run, to maintain than uploading long-form videos. Because here, you're going to stream already recorded videos, and those videos, you're going to stream them 24/7. If you have any kind of a channel on YouTube here, you can use this trick to monetize it. But if you only follow the steps I'm going to share with you in this video. And without talking much, let me show you step by step how I monetize my brand new channel in just weeks. Now, on the first step, what you're gonna do is to visit this website. The website is called Gyre Pro. Maybe you heard about this website or this is your first time to hear about it. I'm gonna dive you deep to understand this website better. Run 24/7 live streams of pre-recorded video. Yes, as I said, we're going to actually run 24/7 live streams of pre-recorded videos. And in that kind of a way, we're gonna be growing our YouTube channels effectively, earning more, getting more views, getting more subscribers, and even getting more watch hours. This is a full package of YouTube growth. If you want to visit this website, you can check the link in the description. I'm going to leave a link in the description, and I'm also going to pin the link in the comments. Now, once you reach on this website right here, what you're going to do next is to click at login right here. This is the next screen that's going to pop up. So here, I recommend using sign in with Google. And once you click at sign in with Google, on the next step, you're going to need your email to sign in. You can use your email that is linked to your YouTube channel or any other email that you use on your device. Now, once you're done signing up, this is the next screen that is going to pop up. On this screen, what you're going to do next is to click at storage right here. And once you click at storage, this is going to pop up as well. Now, here it's where you're going to upload your video, a video that you're going to stream. And I'm going to show you step by step, and please follow every step if you want to get results as I did. Now, as you see right here, these are videos that I uploaded before, but no worries. I'm going to show you how to upload videos on this site as a beginner. Now, what you're going to do next is to click at upload video right here. This will come next. So you click at upload video once again, and it's going to take you to your storage. Now, from here, you can choose a video you want to stream. After choosing a video from your storage, your video is going to upload. And once your video is done uploading, it may look like this. I have 2 videos here. This is the first video, and this is the second video. Once you upload a new video, your new video may look like this. It may show not optimized. Once your new video shows not optimized, this is what you have to do, okay? What you're going to do is to click on the box beside the video. Once you click on the box, the options are going to change above here. As you see, before I click on the box, these are the options above. And when I click at the box, these are options that have popped up. Once these options pop up, you're going to click at this option, optimization. So you click at optimization, and once you click at optimization, now here you have 2 boxes to check. There is delete the original video from storage after conversion. You can literally click here if you want to delete the original video. But with me, I would like my original video to remain, so I will not delete it. And the second box is right here. This is actually accepting the terms and conditions. So you must check this box right here. And once you're done checking the box, what you're going to do next is to click at start optimization right here. And the video is going to optimize. Now, once you're done optimizing the video, your video is going to look like this, the optimized video. As you see right here, the notification shows optimized by Gyre. And this is before optimization, meaning this video is the same video, but this this is not optimized and this is optimized by Gyre. You can upload as many videos as you want. You can upload 2 videos, 3 videos, 4 videos, or even 5 videos. What you're gonna do next is to go to these options. On these options, you're gonna click at live streams. You click at live streams right here. On this screen, you click at add stream, okay? This will show up. Now, right here, what you're gonna do next is to add the title of your stream, okay? And after adding the title, you select the platform. You need to make sure that you select YouTube if you're going to stream with YouTube. After selecting the platform, what you're gonna do next is to add the stream key and stream ID. To add stream key and stream ID, this is what you're going to do. You need to go back to your YouTube studio. I'll go back to my YouTube studio right here. Once you're in the YouTube studio, what you're gonna do next is to head to create. You click at create right here. You click at go live right here. After clicking at go live, you're gonna see this. Click on the copy, the first copy on top right here. There are 3 copies. You click on the first copy right here. Once you're done clicking at the first copy, you go back to Gyre right here. What you're gonna do next is to paste the stream key you just copied from your YouTube studio dashboard. And what you're gonna do next is to go back to YouTube studio. You're going to copy this stream URL. You definitely copy it as you see what I'm doing right here. And after copying this, you go back to Gyre Pro and now you're gonna paste it right here, okay? After including this information, what you're gonna do next is to click next right here. And now what you're gonna do next is to add a video. And this is how to add the video. Remember, on our first step, we uploaded a video from storage. So on this step, what you're going to do is to actually put that video to stream, okay? So you're going to click on this arrow right here and now you're going to choose the video. There were 2 videos. There is a video that is not optimized and there is also this video, a video that is already optimized by Gyre. So what you're going to do is to choose the video you're going to stream and it's gonna show right here. So what you're gonna do is to click on this button right here, save and close. Now, as you see, we've just created a stream. This is the stream that I've just created and this stream is actually streaming. As you see, this stream is streaming on the same channel and I can still make this stream to also stream. I can also add another stream to have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 streams streaming at a go, and all streams will have people watching, different people watching from different places. And by doing that, I'm going to end up getting subscribers, getting watch hours, getting everything, earning more money on YouTube and even monetizing my YouTube channel. And you can also do it as I'm doing it right here. So this is how to begin the stream. Starting a stream is very simple as ABCD. What you're gonna do next is to click on this button right here. So you click on the button right here, the stream is actually streaming right here. Now, once it shows streaming, what you're gonna do next to confirm whether your video is actually streaming is to go back to YouTube Studio. You're gonna go back to YouTube Studio and what you're gonna do is to actually refresh the page. You have to refresh the page to make sure that the stream is actually streaming. Everything is gonna load up and the stream, as you see guys, it is streaming right here. Now let's go to the next step. To stream a lot of videos in a single live stream, this is what you're gonna do, okay? You go straight to playlist right here and now you're gonna click at create playlist and you're gonna name the playlist with what you want it to be. After naming the playlist, you're gonna click at OK right here. And now as you see, the playlist has been created. The next step, this is not actually a step, but I call it a step just because it is a part of the strategy. But these are things you need to know. The first thing you need to know, restart streams every 3 days when activities dips. When you launch a live stream today and that live stream runs for the first day, the second day, and then on the 3rd day, you realize that views are dropping. I mean real-time viewers. I recommend you restart that live stream or you begin another live stream, because sometimes if you don't stop that live stream, it's going to drop views. And when it drops views and just leave it to stream, it literally means that you're losing views. But when you restart that live stream or you begin a new live stream, you're going to get more engagement and more views and you're going to hit your goals faster. The second thing you need to know, run 3 to 5 live streams at once if you want to get more engagement or more reach on your YouTube channel. The third thing you need to know, you should optimize your videos with Gyre Converter. That is a must, because if you don't optimize your videos, you're going to experience glitches and such kind of things. Number 4, you should be patient when streaming. Results may show up in the first month, the second month, or the 3rd month. So you should be patient. If it doesn't show up in the first month, it may show up in the second month. And if it doesn't show up in the second month, it may show up in the 3rd month. And this depends on how your channel status is standing right now. And lastly, Keep streams themed and longer. Try to make longer streams, because if you make longer streams, if your problem is watch time, it literally means that you're going to generate watch time faster. And if your focus is to earn more money from YouTube, it literally means that you're also going to earn more money from YouTube. If your problem is getting more views, you're going to end up getting more views. And even if your problem is getting subscribers, you're going to end up getting subscribers if you make longer streams, because people are going to keep on watching for longer hours. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, smash the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Watch this video if you want to know tips and tricks that you can use to get more views on YouTube. In this video, I share strategies that I use to get more views on YouTube. Alright, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.